Hello everyone, our rongroup fans. Today is a very good chance to know more about our factory's production process. And here I will show you the actual factory scene. And now you can see the first step. Here is the new soil, and they will put in the blender machine. After the blending, they will go through the water pipe, and now we'll go through a different producing part. And now you can follow me to the second step. And here near me is our mold for different shape. And use this mold, you can see the different model processing. Now here, follow me. In this area, you can see we set many molds here, and we will use the crate and put them into the mold. When the crate fill through in the mold, we can make a different shape of the porcelain. Now you can see our step. He used the mold to set the shape. Now, and after a long time, we'll produce the pot here. Okay, now we can see in this rack, you can see it's a pot here. They are all from the mold. Now wait for the time, and for drying, they will go to the next step. Okay, here you can see one process, and our worker will use a special crab to make them for a good appearance. They will clean their surface. Use the foam to make them cleaning. And here you can see different shape. This porcelain plate look like a flower. we can touch it slightly. And this step, they not with the color. Here is the flower bowl. And come here, you can see this step. Our worker now is print the white color on the flower. They must need very carefully to print the pattern. Okay, now you can see the next step. Now they will make the color on the central of the flower. I touch it very slightly. You can see in the center they have print the yellow color now. You can see they need to print the flower very carefully. Need to do it step by step. So every step we need the worker by hand. So handmade is not an easy thing to do. Such like this plate, you can see we can print the different flower and on the edge, and we also can print your logo in the center of the plate, and maybe you can print the logo on the back side. So if our customer need do the custom products and whatever different shape and different design, you can send the drawing to us and we can make for you. Okay, now I want to show you the other method how to print the flower on the plate. Sometimes we will use foam and make the they will stick the flower here and use this thing. We can print the flower on the plate. Can use different colors to make what pattern you need. You can see such like this plate, and we can use the suitable foam and make the flowers or some pattern or some special design. We can print on the edge of the plate. So you can get a wonderful and very special product. Here you can see the flower have a wear a new clothes. The flower now is make the green color. Now you can see how to make the color. Now our worker use the pen to make the green color on the flower. They need print several times, many times to make the color will stable. Okay, now follow me. I will bring you to the second floor, and you can see the next step. Okay, now you will see a very interesting step. We can use a close. You can use a close eye to watch this. The bowl now already have the pattern, but they will put on the special water. Now you can see the pattern already disappear. This step is very important because it can make the flower, the pattern, very stable when they in the cream. This special water can make the pattern under very high temperature and not destroy the pattern. Okay, now I will bring you to the second floor to see the different steps. Okay, here you can see the bowl. They are the different shape. Use the different mold to make them. Now they without the pattern. Except the bowl, the cups and other special mold, we also can make for you. You can see the real production process in our factory. I think you will ask me one question. How many molds we have? Don't worry, because we have a very large warehouse to keep all the molds. they can make different shape of the porcelain product. So if for the custom products, we will suggest you to send us a drawing and to finalize what you need, and then we will produce a new mold for you. So a very good mold is very important for your order. Okay, now we go to the second floor. Here. Hey, you can see what I found it. A very special spoon. And come here, you can see a very small pattern, a pear on the spoon. Very cute. Okay, here. As we know, the customization is not an easy thing for a factory, but if he can do it, it's their power can fit for our customers' requirement. On the second floor, we can see different process. You can see our worker use the machine to make the shape nice. They can make the plate more circle. I think many people will ask different shape of the mold will have the different producing method, because we need use the different machine to make them. Here you can see a bigger shape of the porcelain product. They will use a bigger mold to make them. In this side, you also can see many molds here, smaller and bigger, for a different model of the porcelain. Here you can see another step. The name is the roller pressing. They will use the pressing machine to shape the porcelain. You can see every porcelain we need to make a special mold for them. The mold can keep their shape is same. Here are many ramekins. They will very suitable for put the shells and the snake. Our customer will need to purchase this every year. Okay, now you can see there's a machine. Its function is for pressing the crate and make them to stay in the mold. You can see, yeah, in the center is a ramekin. You can see our worker need to put the clay in, then the machine will come down and pressing the clay. Then the clay will press in the mold to make their shape is the same. Here will a bigger one mold for the bigger model. These are the material. We will use this story to put in the mold. Now you can see the bowl, how we can make their shape is the same. Okay, now come here. Next we can see another way how we can grouting in a bigger mold. Now you can see we need to use the bigger machine to let the clay to go through the water pipe, and then you can see our worker use a small pipe. Then the clay will come from the pipe and fill in the bigger mold. You can see different mold can fit for our customers' different requirements. And come here, we can closer to see clearly. Our worker will use this method to put the clay in the mold. And then the porcelain can show the very special shape. Here you can see many spoons here, and they are used this grouting method to produce. Because special models, we need use this grouting method. Okay, we go downstairs to see our big cream. Here also many mold placed here. You can see this area. We also used to put the molds. Okay, follow me. Now I will show you our large cream. It's a very important step because every porcelain need to use the cream to finish the final step. Here you can see our new order. They will ready to put in the cream to burn. You can see they everyone they have a logo on their plate. The logo is our domestic customer. Their restaurant need this place. Okay, come here. Now you can see our very important machine. It's the big cream, and all the porcelain products need put in it to finish the final step. Generally, we will use very high temperature to make them to have a good appearance. Sometimes if many orders need together to produce at the same time, we will open several cream to running at the same time. Maybe later we will show you the process how to make the porcelain. Okay, here is end, and everyone remember to pay attention to our video. We are rongroup, your best choice for your catering industry. Thank you.